Hi, are you having trouble? Wanna do web development on Android phone? Don't worry because today's topic is best Android app for web development. The name of the app is Nevermind. You can easily download it from Play Store for free. Let's open it. It has so many features like text editor, in-app browser to check your website, access to complete source code, and also learn to code feature. In the app there are options like every other apps. Click on menu, there are many options, but most of all workspace. Here you have access to all of your code in one file which you can export and import from your phone, with very similar interface to what you get on PC or VS Code. As you can see in the video how beautiful it is. It provides both mobile and desktop as well as tablet mode to view your website in different sizes. So if you find this video useful, then kindly smash that subscribe button under the video and share it with your friends so that they can also use this app and get benefit from it.